Hey guys, welcome back. This is Gil with G&G Tactical and Outdoors. Today we're going to show you the 2022 SHF model, the special edition. This is the Viking Longboat. And if you're unfamiliar with Spartan Blades, every year they come out with their Spartan-Harsey special edition model. There's 4 different models that they'll come out with. This is last year's model. It's the Viking Longboat. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look here. So got this cool packaging here. Hope you guys are doing well. I don't know about you, but it is hot down here in Texas. Getting close to 105 with the heat index. So here, let's get you a closer look. Okay, so the SHF model, let's talk to you about this particular design. This particular knife is deep engraved with artwork of a Viking with depiction of his longboats as they hit the shore. If you appreciate a life of adventure and conquering your goals, this knife might be just for you. So it's got some really beautiful blue accents here along the spine. And then the Til Valhalla, if you're wondering what that means, it's originating from Norse mythology. Til Valhalla is abbreviated from Until Valhalla. It is said among service members to mean until we meet again in Valhalla. No matter who or what you believe in, Until Valhalla is a sign of utmost respect and tells our fallen that we will see them again one day. Pretty cool. So this is offered, and from our website, we have 2 different configurations. We have the Stonewash and then the Chad Nichols Damascus blade. So I'll show you the Chad Nichols one in just a second. Let me just get y'all to see the design there. And so the pattern for the Chad Nichols Damascus, it's going to vary. No one knife is unique. That's a pretty cool feature, I think. You know, if you're paying for top quality, want to be able to be unique and stand out. So you can't, obviously you can't feel it, but it is deep laser engraved, absolutely beautiful. Really cool design. Let's take a look at the spring side. So got that pattern. So these are available on our website. We'll have the link down below. Remember, you can get 10% off by using the coupon code GGTO, and you get free ground shipping. So the retail price on the Damascus blade is $650, and on the satin blade, it's $550. So let's go ahead and compare the size. I'll leave down the specs down below, just above the comment section. Here is Spartan's Palace model. This is another really cool one. I can't wait to do a review on this particular knife. It's about almost the same length overall. This one is a button lock with a flipper. I'll show you the Benchmade bug out knife, the 535. So that I'm going to show 2 different staples of the Benchmade lineup. We have the bug out, and then also the Osborne, which has been around. This design has been around for over 20 years. So the Spartan knife, owned by the company's owned by Mark and Curtis, 2 Army Green Beret veterans. So if you like supporting small businesses, number 1, like supporting veteran-owned businesses, number 2, get yourself a Spartan knife. You won't regret it. These are absolutely fantastic. They fit absolutely fantastic in the hand. I mean, I really don't have anything negative about this particular design pattern or the blade. I think the blue looks really cool. It's almost as if, it's the water, right? That the boat is there sitting on the water, and then you have the Viking coming off the boat onto shore. So this is just a quick video of this particular knife. Just wanted to show you all the ins and outs. Got a large lanyard hold, which is nice. If you're a lefty, you can move the clip to the opposite side, move the fuller tab to the spring side. Remember, these have a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects and workmanship as well. So leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Please hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about us. Our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer. We would really appreciate it if you guys could help us out spreading the word. All it takes is 5 seconds of your time to hit that link for the subscribe button and hit the like button. And if you got extra time, leave us a comment down below. Let us know, is this one of your favorite patterns for that Spartan has done for 2022? Is it in your top 5? I think it's pretty cool. For me, it's, along with like the fir trees, the plague doctor, for right now, it's definitely within my top 5 picks. So anyway, thanks again for tuning in. Hope to see you guys on the next one.